In this video, we're going to quickly show you how to update the content of your app, in particular, the About Us information within your app. To start, simply click on the Update App Content menu, then click on the About Us option. You can see here in this example that we already have a couple of sections created. Let's create a new section together now. Simply click the Add a Section button, then type in a name. In this example, I will call it Gallery. There are actually 4 different things that you can add into this About Us section. The first is text. You can either type your text in manually or paste it in by pressing Ctrl-V on your keyboard. You can also format your text in a number of ways, including bolding, underlining, italics, etc. Another thing you can add into the About Us section is what we call a URL link. For example, you might want to give your customers a link to a certain web page. To do this, all you have to do is simply click the Insert Link button, and then type in the link of the website. That will then add a live URL link into that section. Another thing that you can do is add live phone links into your section. Simply type in the phone number using a typical phone number format, like this. Your customers will then be able to simply tap the phone number from within your app, and it will automatically dial the number for them. The last thing that you can do is insert an image. To insert an image, you need to find an image that is hosted on a website. It cannot be an image that is hosted locally on your computer. As an example, here is a dummy website where we can see some sample images. The most important thing to remember is that you can only use what is called destination images. There is a very easy way to know if an image is a destination image or not. Simply right-click on the image, which means you must click on the button which is to the right-hand side of your mouse. This will then display a pop-up menu. If you see an option that says Copy Image, then that is a destination image that you can use in your app. In this case, we cannot see Copy Image as an option, so this is not a destination image. If we right-click on this image, again, we do not see Copy Image, so this is also not a destination image. If I click on this image and bring it up to full size, then right-click on the large image, now we can see that there is an option Copy Image. Simply click on Copy Image. Now simply go back to your portal, click into the description box, then press Ctrl-V to paste the image into the box. Your image may appear too big or too small, so you can simply resize it. To resize the image, simply click on it, and this will display the resizing boxes around the edge. Click on one of the corner boxes and drag it until you are happy with the size. We suggest that you make it around 300 pixels wide, as I've just done now. This will ensure that your image will appear in a good size for most mobile phones. I will now quickly add one more image using the exact same steps we just did. Again, go to the website. Choose another image that you want. Right-click on the image, and if you see the Copy Image option, then click on it. Then go back to your portal and paste it in by pressing Ctrl-V. You can then resize it by clicking and dragging the corner box. Again, 300 pixels is the suggested best size for all images. So now we can see that we have added a couple of images. When you are done, simply click Save Changes, then close. You can then get a quick preview of your About Us sections. One last thing worth mentioning is that you can, of course, click and drag your About Us sections up or down to change the order that they appear in your app. Just remember to click Save when you're finished.